The Chlamydoselachus anguineus is one of the most enigmatic deep-sea sharks. The frilled shark survives extreme pressure, cold temperatures, and permanent darkness through slow metabolism and patience. The frilled shark is often called a living fossil due to its ancient retained traits. They are not evolutionarily stagnant, but a lineage refined by long-term stability in the deep ocean. Unlike those fast pelagic sharks, the frilled shark evolved for efficiency, not speed, in energy-poor environments. The slender body of the frilled shark reduces energetic costs while drifting through deep water. Chlamydoselachus anguineus, also known as the frilled shark, depends more on mechanoreception and chemical cues than visual hunting.
With its primitive, eel-like body and rows of needle-sharp teeth, the frilled shark is a true relic of the deep.
This Chlamydoselachus anguineus tooth structure functions primarily to retain prey, not slice it. This tooth-to-body ratio is among the most extreme recorded in sharks. Prey encounters for this enigmatic hunter are rare and often unpredictable. This species has a remarkably low basal metabolic rate, a critical deep-sea adaptation. Its reduced skeletal mineralization allows it to withstand compression at depth. It does not chase its prey, but waits patiently for close-range opportunities.
The frilled shark is a unique deep-sea predator that uses an ambush strategy.
This unique hunting strategy allows it to coil its body, creating tension like a compressed spring, before launching a sudden forward strike. Its prey includes deep-sea fish, squid, and large invertebrates. This unique shark plays a crucial role in regulating populations of smaller deep-sea organisms. The deep sea is not an empty void, but a structured environment. It inhabits the outer continental shelf and upper continental slope, between 500 and 1,500 meters. This deep-dwelling shark is found in all major oceans, usually in deeper waters. It is rarely seen by humans due to its preferred habitat in the outer continental shelf and upper continental slope. Early stages of character in Image 1, Chlamydoselachus anguineus, may occur in shallower pelagic zones. Chlamydoselachus anguineus, also known as the frilled shark, undergoes morphological changes during its depth migration. The frilled shark is a peculiar deep-sea creature.
This species is ovoviviparous, retaining eggs internally until birth.
A truly ancient lineage, frilled sharks represent a distinct branch on the tree of life, with a gestation period that can...
Gestation in frilled sharks may exceed 3 years.
With such a long gestation period, the frilled shark's population recovery potential is very low. Deep-sea trawling indirectly affects frilled shark populations by damaging their habitats. Climate-driven changes may alter the availability of prey.
Slow-growing species like the frilled shark are especially sensitive to disturbance.
Most knowledge of this ancient species comes from rare bycatch specimens. Little is known about the Chlamydoselachus anguineus and its behavior. This species connects modern oceans to ancient evolutionary history.
These amazing sharks, often depicted as terrifying deep-sea monsters, are in reality quite elusive and docile creatures.
Fearsome appearance, masking its restrained character.
Survival for the frilled shark depends on endurance, not aggression. Darkness underscores the evolutionary logic shaping character in Image 1.
Patience defines its hunting strategy.
The frilled shark is known as a living fossil, and as you can tell, it lives by very different rules than surface predators. Informs our understanding of shark diversity and evolution.
The frilled shark is perfectly adapted to the crushing pressures and perpetual twilight of its deep-sea home. The frilled shark is a remarkable creature, exemplifying adaptation through constraint. The frilled shark survives without speed or complex behavior. It continues to expand our scientific understanding of deep-sea life. This unique creature bridges the prehistoric and modern oceans. This deep-sea enigma challenges assumptions about shark evolution. And as the darkness deepens, one can't help but reflect on the fragility of these ancient populations. Deep-sea habitats are crucial for frilled sharks, which are living fossils that offer unique insights into evolution. Its very existence is a testament to the evolutionary success that can be found in patience.
A living solution shaped by time, pressure, and the deep ocean.